myself Vishnupriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. Before we go to today's sections, anybody recap what we saw previous class? Any guesses what we saw previous lecture series? Previous lecture series we discussed about small case study. The small case study was Self-Employment Women Association. It was started in 1947 by Alia Bhatt. What are the things as they can be do, what are the problems they are facing, and how they can be overcome this problem. The case study, this case study can be see previous lecture series. The SEW, the Self-Employment Women's Association mainly focused for rural people. In between they have any health issue, political issue, they can quit their entrepreneur, they stop their business. So how they can to encourage that the people to give new skills, how they give new skills and ideas about to develop their business, how they can be financially supported. And the International Labour Organization also supported for the rural people through this the Self-Employment Women's Association. This case study can see the previous section. So today what we see means, any guesses? Can you guess this topic? Is any guesses? Any guesses about this job? Guess this topic. Okay, today we see about an social entrepreneur. Same as like the social entrepreneur describe how individual and startup and entrepreneur work to develop and funding socials that address and social issues, and also it can be an organization that uses a business method with aim of addressing up social employment problems in innovative. The social entrepreneurship applying the principle and guidance used by startup founders and entrepreneur to business that directly generating the social changes or impact of social causes. Social changes entrepreneurs is primarily motivated by desire to alive in some kind of systematic social and cultural problems. So broadly tell about the social entrepreneur fully focused for a new entrepreneur innovative business that influencing the changes. The social entrepreneur has specifically causes that can care about the new developer moderating the positive impact. For example, the NGO, the club, Rotary Club, these are all the social entrepreneur. There are a lot of clubs for women based. There are a lot of clubs about regarding for an women's harassment, and Rotary Club, and also Chedi Agram for the Agram Foundation. These are all the social entrepreneur. They people also an entrepreneur, but they fully depends upon and focused for the social entrepreneur. This is the type of social entrepreneur. The first type was non-profit organizations. So these people not getting any profitability. For example, you can take an old age home, child home. They did not get any profit. Whatever they having, they make it and get their they develop their organizations. You people are seeing a lot of homes as any fund they can be given for other people. Based on that, they can be run their entrepreneur. Cooperative society means in Gramam side, this cooperative society bank will be having, and that bank they can be fully focused for and formal peoples only. For example, the Pair Kadan, and also they giving an amount for their cow. If you need you want to buy a new cow or any other things, as you want to buy any seeds for cropping your farmers, this bank will be, the cooperative society will help you the peoples. And social entrepreneurs means for as an Rotary Club or this type of club is called as an social entrepreneurship, social entrepreneur. And community project means a group of people doing some social works, that is called as a community project. Special purpose business means it is in social causes that heart of every social entrepreneur for business vision, and many social entrepreneur begin with this causes. The first steps of towards then recognizing the problem of society and having their desire to solve their business. For example, if any other organization take their to adapt their business, for example, our college will be adapted some villages. This is also as a social entrepreneur. So some social awareness to adapt their college, to adapt their villages or peoples, to give their books or to clean their village. This type of social this type of peoples are called as the social entrepreneur, and special purpose for the business. A social entrepreneur learn about the mechanisms that persuade the problems, and they build their business model directly address these machines. So this is the type of social entrepreneurs. Next we see about an how the social entrepreneur will be worked. First, individually they can be run, and after that they can focus on organization entrepreneur to develop and implemented, to donating their profits or usage of grant, raising their funds or given something. After that they can innovative the ideas, solutions, any innovative ideas, any solution to recognize or to modify any other things. After that they can addressing their social and environmental issues what they are facing. That then past social changes can be changes. So before we can plan this one, what are the problems they are having, what you can be defined, and also what are the prototype ideas that, you can be suggest for this problem. So focused everything they can be doing everything. Then cooperative society bank also focusing, it is mainly focused for the farmers. They can, if any rainy season and summertime there is no any water, so if rainy rain they have lot of waters, so in that time there is a cooperative society bank, they can help their people to give their amount or give any solution for that. So this is the social cooperative workers function. This is the characteristics of social entrepreneurships. The characteristics was passionate, innovative, influencer, motivated, and entrepreneurship mindset and preservative. Passionate means the people having more passionate about to give to help the other peoples, and they have a lot of humanity, and also they can innovatively creating their things, how they can be help the other peoples, giving their funds, or they can be allocating any resources or any other thing, and they can be motivated the people to develop their business and also other things. And entrepreneur mindset hints to take their risks, barriers, and also they think out of their process. If any problem can be occurred, they can think about their creativity. So this is the characteristics of social entrepreneurships. After that, small assessment. The first question was, with an adequate understanding of social needs and entrepreneur fulfill their requirements and needs. Which one this is? Any ideas about that? Creativity, innovative, in all of the above. Which adequate understanding the social needs? Any guesses? The second question was, the applications of innovative, practical, substance, and market-based approaches is empathized by social entrepreneur, which is support to fulfill the needs of understanding the served populations. So what is this? Any agency will help this one. Any guesses about that? You can identify this. Next class we can discuss this one. And today we see an three things is characteristics of social workers. Social workers, how the social worker can be worked. Small introduction. So this is the main thing. Who is the social worker? Social workers also help their people to know and to develop their business for they who are associated with the non-profit and non-government organization that raise their fund through their several events and activity. So these are all the social workers people. We can see in four types of social worker: non-profit organization, cooperative society, and social entrepreneur, and supported business plan. This type of social worker types we can be seen. Then characteristics, there are we can see in 6 type of characteristics, and also how they can be worked. So the totally we can see in four things is about in this lecture videos, and this is this reference. Thank you.